Are multivitamins just expensive urine, or the foundation every gym goer needs? If you've ever stood in the supplement aisle, staring at hundreds of bottles, promising everything from complete nutrition to enhanced performance, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Some people swear by their daily multi, others say they're a complete waste of money. Here's the truth. Most multivitamins on the market are garbage, filled with cheap forms of nutrients your body can't use, artificial colors that serve no purpose, and doses that are either too low to matter or so high they're potentially harmful. But that doesn't mean all multivitamins are useless. Today, I'm cutting through all the marketing noise to show you what a good multivitamin can actually do for your training and recovery, how to spot the difference between quality products and overpriced placebos, and 3 specific multivitamins that are actually worth your money. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly whether you need a multivitamin and which one fits your goals and budget. Let's start with what multivitamins are supposed to do, because the marketing has gotten so crazy that most people have no idea. Really, a multivitamin should be nutritional insurance, filling in the gaps where your diet might be falling short, especially if you're putting extra demands on your body through training. Here's the thing about modern diets. Even if you're eating pretty well, you might still be missing key nutrients. Our soil is depleted compared to decades ago. Fruits and vegetables are picked before they're ripe and shipped thousands of miles. And let's be honest, most of us aren't eating 9 servings of colorful vegetables every single day. Add in the fact that intense exercise increases your need for certain vitamins and minerals, and you can see why active people might benefit from some supplemental support. When you're training hard, you're burning through B vitamins for energy metabolism, using up antioxidants to deal with exercise-induced stress, and depleting minerals through sweat. But here's where the supplement industry goes completely off the rails. They've convinced people that more is always better. So you see multivitamins with 1000% of the daily value for some nutrients. That's not beneficial. It's wasteful at best and potentially harmful at worst. The other myth is that multivitamins are some kind of performance enhancer. If you're already eating a decent diet, a multivitamin isn't going to make you lift heavier or run faster. What it can do is help ensure you're not held back by subtle deficiencies that might affect your energy, recovery, or overall health. Good multivitamins should complement a healthy diet, not replace it. They should provide reasonable amounts of nutrients in forms your body can actually use, without unnecessary additives or marketing gimmicks. Unfortunately, most of what you see on store shelves doesn't meet these basic criteria. All right, let's talk about what actually matters in a multivitamin, because understanding this will save you from buying overpriced nonsense. First, the B vitamins. These are your energy metabolism support crew. B1, B2, B6, B12, and folate all play crucial roles in converting the food you eat into energy your cells can use. If you're training regularly, your needs for these vitamins increase. The good news is they're water-soluble, so excess amounts are just excreted. But you want meaningful amounts, not trace doses. Vitamin D is huge, especially if you train indoors or live somewhere with limited sun exposure. It's crucial for bone health, immune function, and even muscle protein synthesis. Most people are deficient, and it's really hard to get enough from food alone. Look for D3, not D2, and at least 1,000 to 2,000 IU. For antioxidants, vitamins C and E help deal with the oxidative stress from exercise. You don't need megadoses. Your body has its own antioxidant systems, and too much can actually interfere with some of the beneficial adaptations from training. Reasonable amounts are fine, but avoid anything with 500% of the daily value. Minerals are where things get tricky. Iron is essential, but men and postmenopausal women usually don't need extra iron and can actually be harmed by too much. Calcium sounds important, but most multivitamins don't contain meaningful amounts because it would make the pills huge. Magnesium and zinc are often underdosed because they're bulky and expensive. Timing and absorption matter too. Fat-soluble vitamins, A, D, E, K, are better absorbed with food, especially meals containing some fat. Taking your multivitamin on an empty stomach might cause nausea and definitely reduces absorption of several nutrients. Most people also don't realize that some nutrients compete for absorption. Taking huge amounts of zinc can interfere with copper absorption. High doses of vitamin C can reduce B12 absorption, and calcium can interfere with iron absorption. This is why balanced formulations matter more than just cramming in as much as possible. The bottom line? A good multivitamin should provide moderate amounts of essential nutrients in bioavailable forms, without unnecessary additives or marketing gimmicks. It should complement a healthy diet, not try to replace it or turn you into a superhuman. Now let's get to the multivitamins that actually deliver on their promises, without the marketing nonsense or cheap ingredients. First up, Optimum Nutrition OptiMen, the powerhouse. This is designed specifically for active men who want comprehensive nutritional support plus some performance-oriented extras. OptiMen goes beyond basic vitamins and minerals by including amino acids, antioxidants, and botanical extracts that actually make sense for athletes. What makes this special? The nutrient doses are well balanced, high enough to be meaningful, but not so high they're wasteful or potentially harmful. You get solid amounts of all the B vitamins for energy metabolism, 1,500 international units of vitamin D3, and good doses of vitamin C and E for antioxidant support. But where OptiMen really shines is the additional ingredients. It includes amino acids like arginine and glutamine that support recovery, plus enzymes to help with digestion and absorption. The botanical blend includes things like saw palmetto and lycopene that have some research behind them for men's health. Who should use this? Active men who want more than just basic vitamin and mineral insurance. If you're training intensely, want some additional recovery support, and don't mind taking 3 tablets per day, this is a solid choice. It's also great for guys who have demanding jobs or high stress levels on top of their training. The quality is excellent. On has been around forever and has a reputation for using quality ingredients and proper manufacturing. The tablets are a reasonable size and don't have any weird taste or smell. The downside? You need to take 3 tablets daily for the full dose, which some people find annoying. It's also more expensive than basic multivitamins, though considering what you get, the value is actually pretty good. If you're just looking for basic vitamin insurance, this might be overkill. Second, Thorne Basic Nutrients 2 per day, the clean choice. This is for people who want high-quality, bioavailable nutrients without any unnecessary additives or marketing fluff. Thorne is known for practitioner-grade supplements, and this multivitamin reflects that commitment to quality. What I love about this formula is the attention to nutrient forms. They use methylated B vitamins, which are better utilized by people with certain genetic variations. The minerals are chelated for better absorption, and they include the active form of folate instead of cheaper folic acid. The doses are sensible, enough to make a difference if you're not getting adequate amounts from food, but not so high that you're just making expensive urine. They include 2,000 IU of vitamin D3, which is actually a therapeutic dose for most people. This is perfect for health-conscious individuals who want to ensure they're getting quality nutrients in forms their body can actually use. It's great for people who are already eating pretty well but want some insurance, or anyone who's concerned about nutrient absorption issues. The clean label is a huge plus. No artificial colors, flavors, or unnecessary fillers. Just the nutrients you need in effective forms. Thorne's manufacturing standards are also top-notch, with third-party testing for purity and potency. The trade-off? It's definitely in the premium price category. You're paying for quality ingredients and manufacturing, which is worth it if that's important to you, but it's not the budget option. Also, as the name suggests, you need to take 2 capsules daily. Third, Nature-Made Men's Multi, the SmartBody. This is proof that you don't need to spend a fortune for effective multivitamin support. Nature-Made Men's Multi provides solid nutritional insurance at a price that won't break the bank. The formula covers all the basics, with reasonable doses of essential vitamins and minerals. You get good amounts of B vitamins, 1,000 IU of vitamin D3, and minerals like zinc and selenium that are important for men's health. No megadoses, no unnecessary extras, just straightforward nutrition support. Nature-Made is USP verified, which means their products are independently tested for purity, potency, and quality. For a mass-market brand, that's actually pretty impressive and gives you confidence that you're getting what's on the label. This is ideal for guys who want basic nutritional insurance without spending premium prices. It's great for people just starting with multivitamins, anyone on a budget, or those who prefer to keep supplementation simple and straightforward. The accessibility is huge. You can find this at basically any pharmacy, grocery store, or big box retailer. No need to order online or hunt down specialty stores. For people who like convenience, this is perfect. The quality is solid for the price point. The tablets are a reasonable size, don't have any weird taste, and the USP verification gives you some assurance about manufacturing standards. The limitations? You're getting basic forms of some nutrients, not the premium chelated or methylated versions. The doses are adequate but not optimized for highly active individuals. Also, there are no additional performance-oriented ingredients. It's just vitamins and minerals. So there you have it. Everything you need to know about multivitamins without the marketing hype or confusion. Whether you go with the comprehensive support of Optimum Nutrition OptiMen, the premium quality of Thorne Basic Nutrients 2 per day, or the reliable value of Nature-Made Men's Multi, you're getting nutritional insurance that can support your active lifestyle. What's your experience with multivitamins? Have you noticed any improvements in energy or overall health when you take them consistently? Drop a comment below and let me know which option you're considering, or if you've tried any of these products before. If this helped you understand whether you need a multivitamin and how to choose a quality one, smash that like button and subscribe for more no-nonsense supplement and fitness content that actually helps you make informed decisions. I'll see you in the next one.